Hey everyone, Kevin Hines here again, and in this video we will explain how to complete step 1 of the Excel certification program. So scroll down and expand step 1 training section. We can see all the chapter assignments listed. So if we navigate to chapter 1, we will download the file and open it locally on our computer. To do so, we go to view instructions here on the right, and you'll find the file in about the middle of the screen. For this example in this video, we're using Chapter 3 Excel. However, when you're doing this, you'll see here it says Chapter 1 Excel. To download it, you go to the three dots on the right, hit Download Original File, and then once it downloads, you'll find it usually up here. You want to double click it to open it. First thing, I want to click Enable Editing so we're able to work on it. And you'll see here that there is an instructions sheet and a page. This is the instructions and a page where we will perform our work. You want to make sure that you complete all the sections and make sure to frequently save your work. Be sure to save your work as a .xlsx so that it can be opened and edited in Excel. To do the work here, you'll see, we'll go to the top section, you'll find video links for each section. You want to find the cell that has the YouTube link in it. In this case, it's this one. Go to the formula bar up top, copy it, Control C. Go to our browser, I want to paste the link in, hit enter. So now I'm going to keep the YouTube video open as I go back to Excel, and I'm going to follow along in the video as I'm doing the work here so that I don't get lost. So let's pretend that I finished the work here. Once I'm done, we want to submit it to Blackboard just like we would any other assignment in any of our classes. To save it to our computer after we do all the assignments, we go to File at the top in the ribbon, Save As here on the left. We want to first make sure that it's being saved as an Excel workbook .xlsx. We want to name it something that we'll remember. I'm just going to name it my last name, Chapter 1. And then you'll see Browse here on the left. You want to make sure you hit Browse so that you can pick somewhere on your computer that you'll remember where it is. In this case, I made a folder already named Excel Work. Once you choose where you want it, click Save. Now that's saved, I can exit out of Excel, go to Blackboard, and again, to submit it. I'm sure we know how to do this after having all of our classes. You can scroll to the bottom of the Chapter 1 assignment here and click Upload a File. Then I'm going to go where I saved it. I'm going to click on the Excel file I just worked on and click Open on the bottom right. And that's how we save it to our submission. Then we can just click Submit on the bottom right. So all the chapters will be scored on a pass-fail basis, but we do require that you do all of the work because these are concepts that will frequently appear when you take the official exam. So once you do a chapter, you don't need to wait to be graded because you can just move on to the next chapter. But all assignments here must be passed before you go to move on to step 2, the practice exam. And some other important notes to mention now, we could take up to 2 business days to grade each assignment, although it is usually quicker. We don't guarantee that. If you run into any trouble with how to do something in Excel, you can use the Excel chatbot down here, or you can use any AI, state your and ask your question, or you can just contact GBFI at one of our channels. That's all for now. We will see you in future videos.